Hello guys, Godix here. Today I'll show you how to create cross-platform server in Aternos. So open browser, go to Aternos, go on your server, and here we need to change our core to paper and bucket. Here, choose here your version. I will choose latest version. Here is, click here, then go to plugins. Here we need to install Geyser, or Geyser, not sure. So click here, Geyser MC, and install latest version. Click here. So next step is to install Geyser MC skin manager. Go back and here is Geyser, or I don't know, skin manager. Okay. Download latest version, and now start your server. After your server started, click stop, waiting before your server will stop. Now click connect button and copy your port. So there you go, files, then plugins, Geyser spigot, here config, and here in port just enter your port from your connect button of server and click save. So that's all. Now you can play cross-platform server in Aternos from Bedrock and Java edition. Thanks for watching, click like and subscribe. Goodbye.